Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment gateway on Wix. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the Wix dashboard. So under the Wix dashboard, I can see in here the setup payment methods. Now, if you don't have this actual setup on your actual Wix dashboard, then what you can do is you can just scroll down until you reach this billings and payments. Under that, you should be able to see this payments right here. So just click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the Spanish payment methods. So click on this right here. And then in here, it will open the settings wherein you can accept payments through PayPal or manual payments. So if you want to accept payments through PayPal, you can click on connect right here. And then in here, you need to actually integrate your PayPal account right here. Just need to enter your PayPal account email in the form below. Click connect, and then you need to log into your PayPal account in order to be connected to your actual PayPal. Now, they also have manual payments right here. It allows them to accept cash, check, or other forms of payment. So if you click on this manual payments right here, you can just choose cash payment, upline payment, or cash on delivery. So cash on delivery is really on the heights right now, so just click on that. And then you can let your customers know how to pay. So for example, you can meet up, you can set up a cash on delivery on their actual shipping courier that they need to choose if they actually support it. So let's head back again on the accept payments page. We can see in here the see more payment options. So when you click on that, you should be able to see some more payment options. Now take note that this payment option vary across countries. So right now I'm on the Philippines, so I have this Hit Pay, Dragon Pay, online payments by Sendit, payment pool right here. So in order to connect that, I just need to connect this right here. And once we have connected all of those, like for example in the Dragon Pay right here, we need to actually enter our Dragon Pay credentials. So it is actually a must do. You need to enter your credentials and log in through there, and then click on connect in order to integrate your actual Dragon Pay fees. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add a payment gateway on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.